Welcome to AC Repair Burbank, where we prioritize your safety, comfort, and peace of mind. Our team is dedicated to providing top-quality HVAC systems and expert maintenance services year-round. When it comes to air conditioning emergencies, we've got you covered 24/7, 365 days a year. Our fully licensed and bonded technicians are equipped to handle any repair, ensuring the best customer service and peace of mind for you. Let our expert technicians evaluate, recommend, and install the best thermostats to meet your heating and air conditioning needs. We understand the importance of precise temperature control for your comfort and energy efficiency. Breathe clean, healthy air with our advanced electronic charcoal and HEPA filtration systems. We're committed to improving indoor air quality in Burbank, ensuring your space is free from pollutants and toxins. At American Cool and Heat, we prioritize your well-being and comfort. Trust us to provide timely, expert service and keep your HVAC systems running smoothly.